What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is about the cases, the official cases, what they're going to look like for the Galaxy S20 line of phones. Now, this tweet comes from Ishan Agarwal, and I wonder if I'm even saying his name right, because that's the way I feel like it sounds, but I'm probably butchering it. Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra is getting these new protective standing cover, LED view cover, and clear view cover cases. Here are the official renders of the same, only black gray color renders as of now. Like them, he's asking. And this is the, looks like the standing case right here for the phone. These are really nothing new, these cases. These cases, if I remember correctly, are expensive. I think they're like 40 or 50 bucks. So expect to spend some big money if you're gonna be getting them. This one has the time on the front of the, or I guess it's the front, yeah, the front of the case. It shows through from the screen onto that. So if you're, it kind of gives you some, even though it'll protect the front, but it'll also let you see the screen. And then this one has a little cutout here on the right-hand side of the display. So it gives you the time and allows you to, see some notifications of what you have, along with some protection on the back. And then the last one, again, is just another kickstand case. Next tweet comes from Max Weinbach. Galaxy S20 Ultra will also not have Galaxy Buds in the box. Even with its insane price, it will have a 25-watt charger and USB-C earbuds in the box. Now, this matches what you got with the Note 10 Plus. You got USB-C earbuds, you also got the 25-watt charger. Obviously, Galaxy Buds were not included in the box. They were included in the box with the Galaxy Fold phone, but that was also $2,000. So kind of what I was expecting. And the last story of the day is sure to make a lot of people very happy if they're gonna buy the Galaxy S20 Plus or S20 Ultra. This does not seem just, the free gift does not seem like it's gonna come to the regular S20. So you're gonna have to buy the S20 Plus or the S20 Ultra in order to get this free pre-order gift. And as you can see right here, this is from Evan Blass. He says he got this little render or screenshot of what it's gonna say. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus / S20 Ultra. Pre-order now and get free Galaxy Bud Pluses. Remember, these are the newest versions of the Galaxy Bud Pluses. There's no official price on these yet. The rumor is they're gonna cost about $200. They're gonna come with improved sound, slightly improved battery life, faster charging. That's pretty much it. The look of the case and the buds themselves is pretty much the same. Noise cancellation, the rumors that were leaking out is that there isn't gonna be any noise cancellation. But regardless, this is awesome to see that if you pre-order the phone, you will get Galaxy Bud Pluses with the phone. There you guys go. That is your news for the day. Let me know in the comments down below, how does that make you feel? Is this enough of a pre-order gift to make you actually pre-order the phone, especially if you're in the shopping mode when you do pre-order a phone to get free gifts? Or do you wish they gave something else? Let me know in the comments down below. For me, this is plenty. I'm happy with this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys down the road. Peace.